my cities. Like I said, we're really lucky to have our support from the city partners here in the audience today. And Imanol is going to come on up and tell us about the work that they're doing there.
Hola. Hi, my name is Imanol Arasali. I want to talk to you a little bit about West Sacramento. West Sacramento is a city, a small city with great aspirations. And the people in this city are committed to make this aspiration a reality. One of the things we love so much about this city is like the people are really in love with their city. It's a good example of a government who listens to their citizens, who help businesses grow, and who work with the community hand in hand to make this a better place to live. We're working with the city of West Sacramento and the Sacramento Area Council of Governments to address that issue, some issues in the food system. So the food system is huge, right? From February in a residency, we have been visiting food banks, food distribution centers, institutions such as schools and hospitals, and to understand a little bit how the food systems work there. We went to small and big grocery stores, and we went to farms. One of the interesting things is that one of the parts that have the worst outcome here is the ones in the base that are the farmers. Besides the fact that there's like more than 200,000 people in just the Sacramento area who are living in a situation of food insecurity. This is a friendly fair to say that there's people living in our cities who doesn't have something to eat every day. This includes children and senior citizens. Because this system is so huge, we saw from the beginning that trying a direct approach wasn't the way to go. So we instead decide to work with the interaction between the parts. And the part we're going to start working with is the new farmers and the people living in food insecurity. So for this, through technology, we want to create what we call tools for collaboration. And it's a way to improve this interaction and make them more efficient. So let's start with new farmers. This is Sarah. Sarah is a farmer. She's a farmer farming city. And she explained to us all the process through going from starting a farm and really make it happen. She told us, when we were starting, we get a list of parcels in the city, which were mostly parking lots, which is useless for them. And observing talking to my farmers, we observed how difficult it is to start farming. Even like when the amount of people starting farms are declining, these people have really a rough start. So. So yeah, this is the first tool for collaboration we create. It's called Urban Farm Locator, and here we are partnered with the city, so we can collect the information about all the backend land in the city that is suitable for farming, and we want to put the information that is more relevant for these farmers. That is like information about the soil and information about the water system. Once the people these farmers have their candidates, we want to help them through the process of getting these requests from the city. We expect that most of these backend lands will turn into productive land and in the benefit of the city and the citizens. And we expect too that the process for a new entry farmer will be less painful and faster, letting them the space to do what they do well, farming. So let's talk now a little bit about urban farming. Somebody asked us, how do you define urban farming, right? And we said, well, the term describes itself. It's a farm in an urban area, right? But thinking through it, we saw that it's much more than that. An urban farm is a part of a community. As a part of a community, each serves the same. But we observe that the people who are really taking advantage of this affordable, healthy food are not the people of the community, are people that are coming from the outside. So we want to know why. We wanted to know why this is happening, right? So we asked the neighbors. They said, well, we don't know what they're growing there, or we don't know even when they're opening. Some people say, like, I don't go there because I don't know if they speak Spanish. So we partnered with the local farmers to create an app, another tool of collaboration because we saw like there's a big problem for warnings, and we want to like help them to reach the people in the people in the community that really need it the most. They are offering a very good product that is price competitive, is affordable, and there's a lot of people in the community who are in need of this product. So we developed this app called FarmStand, where the farmers will enter and update the crops they are growing, and they will let people know what is coming based on season. They will give here like the information most relevant for the people of the farm. And what one barrier we met was that the farmers say, I'm not techy, I don't have internet at home, I don't have a computer. And we were observing how they interact with technology, and we discovered that the primary way they communicate is via text message. So we developed an app where they can update and put the information related to the farmstead using the technology they use the most, that is text message. What we want to get from this? At the other end, we are working for a multiple channels of communication to reach the people of the community. Because we want that when this is working, the people who are really taking advantage of this affordable, healthy food is the people who live around the farm. We want that this will turn to be the primary audience for the urban farmers. So when they are planting their crops, they will take into consideration the needs of the community. Again, we are very excited to working with this city because this city there's a feeling of community. Like people are really working together to make this the best place to live. We are very excited about meeting all these people because we feel like here in this city there's a feeling where people can work with the government together to get at their end. I want to thank Natasha and Grant. They are doing a great job. They're my teammates. We're going to applause for them. I want to say thank you to John, Rob, Ian, and Mari, the people of the city. And they're doing a great job. Please reach out during the night and give us your feedback. Thank you.